Hello, mister. This is onion Probolinggo. Like this. Size grade A. It's about 2 until 3 centimeter. And this is my warehouse in Probolinggo. Maybe you can check. Okay, this is my people to process the onion, the red shallot.
Diagonal, symmetry.
They chop the small red shallot and the BS. This is a BS. This is out trouble and finish like this. Grade A, yes.